Welcome to Smartness Overloaded. In this video I'm gonna share tutorial regarding Uvas admission form.
Here is the list of programs offered by Uvas. For applying online, click below. If you haven't registered, please register yourself first. I have already registered, so now sign in with your NIC number. Last date for submission of form. For eligibility criteria, fee structure, and merit.
Eligibility criteria 4-5 and for your forms is given in these slides. Age limit for candidates applying at Uvas must be below 23 years. Last year merit of different fields are also shared in these slides. Here fee structure is shared. Picture size is less than 2 OK band after choosing. Don't forget to upload it. Step number 2: upload some general information. Step number 3: correctly upload your academic information. Step number 4: upload quota information. Step number 5: upload your admission information according to your priority. Step number 6: attach the following documents required. Before uploading, make sure you have chosen right documents. Step number 7. Before final submit, please review your information. After review, click on Submit Credentials and generate challenge form.